As we always do, we're going to talk about the don'ts when it comes to phishing emails. But the first one being, if you know that it's a phishing email, you don't have to open it. You can just delete it and send it to your spam folder. You can send it to your spam folder. You're in the email. You need to figure out if it's a phishing email, figure out if it's legit or not. As my mother always said when we went in the grocery store.
Right, we're going in the store. Don't ask for nothing. Don't touch nothing. Don't say nothing. I'm not about to be in here all day. Do you understand what I said?
Yes.
What did I say?
We're going to the store. Don't ask for nothing. Don't touch anything. Don't say anything. We're not about to be here all day.
All right, now let's go.
Don't touch anything. Do not click anything. Don't click on links. Don't download anything. Just observe. Look, you're here just to see. You're inspecting. So inspect. You don't need to touch and click to inspect. But if you do need to click to inspect, then right click and copy the URL and take it to your notes or take it somewhere else so you can inspect it that way. And I know it's hard, but you don't have to reply to those spam emails that you have. You can just delete it and send it to your spam folder. Everybody doesn't need to get ripped a new one or cussed at or yelled at. As we stated in my earlier videos, that just verifies that you are an active account and that puts you on the list to become a target again in the near future. So just delete and send to spam folder. Calm down. It's okay. They're doing it to everybody. You're not being targeted out.